Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys where you can catch the pink betta fish in Heartopia. Very excited to catch this one. This fish is super pretty and my favorite color as well. So you'll find it around Forest Lake here during daytime or dusk, and you'll find it when it is raining or when there's a rainbow. Also, did I mention you have to be level 12 of fishing? I think I did, said that. And the shadow is like the small one, not that one. I feel like it's this one here. But we're going to try and catch one today. And I finally caught it. It took so long, but it is worth it, even though it's only 1 star, but it's fine. It looks pretty still. So this is what the pink betta looks like. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. Also, if I forgot to mention, it is the little fish shadow. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!